You want Papa to help? You say help, please?
Please. Help, please. Baby.
There you go. Open it up.
Out. Get her out.
Okay, I'll get her out. She's got rubber bands.
Rubber bands. Rubber bands. Hair butter. Get her out.
Get her out. Okay, sweetheart. You gotta choke the baby a little. Okay.
Bear.
Get her out. Reach on in there. She's still stuck. No, she's loose. Get her out.
Oh.
Do you want to give her a hug?
Yeah. Baby. I love baby.
That's true.
Cheek.
What do you think's in here?
Yeah.
There's another There's another present. There's another happy birthday present. Here, Papa will hold your baby. Is that okay? She can sit with Papa.
Okay. Present. Open.
Go for it. This battery's down.
Happy birthday.
Keep going. What are you looking for?
Happy birthday present.
Dead battery. Turn off. It's okay. You having her help you?
Yeah.
What's in that box? You already have a baby. What could be in there?
Baby.
Oh. Papa knows. Okay.
Happy birthday.
What is that?
Baby. Baby.
It certainly doesn't look like a baby. Do you want Papa to help?
Yeah.
Can you ask?
Please. Yes, please. Please. That's it. Baby.
Can you show me your baby, please?
Show Mommy your baby. Papa will help. Oh. What is this?
Pass it. Pass it. Pass it.
Did your baby have a name yet?
Yeah. Half bear.
She has a bear.
Yeah.
Do you love her?
Bear. Yeah. Feet, baby. I love baby. Collar. Duck.
Violet's in here.
Baby.
What's in there?
Baby. What's in there? Baby. Baby.
Did you get the latch all the way open?
Yeah. Baby.
What is all that?
Her clothes, her dresses.
Hug.
Look, I have it for your baby. What are these?
Bonnet.
What's in here?
Yeah.
What are these?
Yeah.
You have to turn the latch.
Can you say thank you, Gengi?
Thank you, Danny.
Thank you, Lacey.
Thank you, Daisy.
What are these?
Happy birthday, present. Yeah, baby's socks.
That's true.
Okay, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Well, we haven't fed the baby yet. Don't you want to feed the baby, Mommy? Here, give the baby her milk.
I love milk.
This is juice.
Juice. Milk.
Do you think baby's hungry?
I've been on baby's feet.
Baby's browsed.